Hello guys, today Jeff, or my small terrarium, got changed a lot today. So I added a small plant which looks like a little tree, some tiny rocks for the hardscape, and a big piece of moss which takes up half of my terrarium. So this is Jeff up close. Looks good, right? I'ma grab Big Joe or my big terrarium. 3, 2, 1, oh. Oh, bad timing, my bad. Knew I dropped IT. Just gotta fix this. And all done. So this is Big Joe. So this is Joe. Bye, have a good day. Oh wait, hold up. Look how good Jeff looks. Just admire him. Well, I'm in a hurry to get this done, so bye. Subscribe if like cringe outro.
Yeah, this is so fire, not even the fire is hotter, better than this song, yeah. So the cops pull up at Beach Street and barge in, they shoot my guards, they shoot back, we kill 8 but 23 more left, we retreated into the basement, they destroyed the door, we shot them and killed 19 of them, but they still kill my guards. I grabbed their gun and killed the last 3 cop and I win, yeah.
Okay, that outro is horrible, bye. Or is?
Hey, I caused 9/11s.
Wait, what?
Yes. Oh god, my dick,
Die, stupid cunt.
Wait, no, was just.
Aha, now he's dead.
Psst.
Ah.